Handyman Corn here, and I'm hanging out at Mom's place. So I figured, why don't I take the day and fix some little odds and ends around the house. Like this faucet, for example, I hear it's a little bit leaky when you turn it on and off. Okay, seems to be fine. Handles are always coming loose, so let's just check. Huh, well, all good here. I think I'm going to mow the lawn instead. Well, I will start by filling up this gas tank. Hold up, this thing's busted. Mom, when's the last time this thing's got any kind of maintenance? Looks like we got a project on our hands. I'm firing it up just for a second so that the oil can heat up a little bit and runs out more. And for safety purposes, I'm going to take off this spark plug cap, just in case. You never know. You never know. Now, let's drain this oil. There, I think this should work, right? There we go. Oh, shoot. And that gas is leaking as well because it's not tight. Let's see if we can MacGyver a little temporary seal here. Let's try again. There we go. Just let that drain out for a little bit. And now in with some fresh, nice, clear oil. Let's have a quick measure. A touch more. Bissel. That's Yiddish, by the way, not Plotdeutsch. Okay, there we go. We're also giving this thing new set of lungs. I mean, look at the difference. Fresh air filter. In you go. Pop it in. Back to that spark plug from the beginning. I mean, look at the amount of soot on this thing. All this rust, it's had its better days behind it. Pop that back on there. And now finally, what started this whole journey to begin with. Does this fit? I don't think this fits. Yeah, that is too big. Well, that takes the fun out of things. All right, well, it looks like I'm going to be repairing this thing. So step one, just clean it and get some moisture in between these two layers. So just a nice thin little layer like that. This, so it doesn't expand on us. And there is a bunch of screws that can use a little bit of tightening. These wheels are pretty buggered out. They're just straight plastic on top of steel, so all that friction with time just wears them out. But what I will do is just give them a little WD to oil them up a bit to stop the process. Terre brake. You see that gunk and muck there? That's all old oil and stuff. I'm gonna give this thing a nice thorough scrubbing. Is it necessary? Not really, but you know, something to be said for keeping the tools clean. I think that looks a whole lot nicer. Back to my cap here. Let's see how things have worked out. Seems to be okay. No, it hasn't worked out.
No.
It's coming apart again. I'll scour the internet. I'll find a new cap somewhere. That was easy. Now finally, I'm going to fire it up one time just to make sure it runs well. There we go. Oh, wat zit nog fan glad? You weren't on proven. Editing Corn here, and what do you say, Handyman Corn? I think we should give the folks a little look behind the scenes. Don't know if that's necessary. How to do lawnmower maintenance. Probably makes sense to first figure out what kind of mower she has. Model number is... Hold on, what do I need? Engine serial number. Not where they said it was gonna be. Aha! It's like a day job trying to figure... Oh, well, I mean, I guess I could have started here.